Good morning, it's John Neal here. Welcome. It's Friday the 19th of August 2022 and simple as I'm just going for a bike ride. Well, somebody did suggest that I got this holder to put it on the handlebars for my controller, the radio control, and I have done. So let's see how it goes. Well, like the good criminal that I am, I've returned to the scene of the crime. This is where I crashed the drone about 3 weeks ago. I'm just looking around. I still don't know what went wrong, but I've got the same setup in that I've got the radio controller, the remote controller, sorry, on the bike, and I was using that when I was trying to fly the drone back, which is a bit disorientating, so that might have been part of the reason that I came to grief. But there's a beautiful tree here, a willow tree. I think you're the culprit, mate. And this, dun, 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 I do believe was the tree, the culprit. There you go. Today I'm just going to, well, it's a nice day again, which is lovely. We had some terrific rain and there've been floods in the country, so it's a big relief. Patchy though, I suppose. Everywhere's still dry, but weather's nice. You've just got to get out. So I'm just going to go around my usual route. I've just had a good look at the map, but I thought, no, just get out. Sometimes it's not a matter of where you go, it's a matter that you're just out while you've got the chance, while you're fit enough and the weather's nice. So I'm just going to go out and see what I see. I stopped and did a painting, to remember. Spring Hill Farm. Well, this has got to be one of my favourite little few hundred metres of road, particularly when the sun's out. And that, by the way, is usually a pond, but it's dry as a bone at the moment. Now, I quite like photographing cows. Nice little village, Stoke Golding. Mind you, if you lived here, you might say otherwise, but it seems nice to me. Well, this might be a good spot. It's the Stoke Golding Zion Baptist Chapel. I've been here before because it was full of flowers, this sort of disused allotment area. But it's not in flower at the moment. But there's a nice car park here, and Stoke Golding Village is that way, which is into the wind, and there's a little bit of a breeze, but the drone should cope admirably. So I think I'll just go up there and have a quick look. Yeah, come with me. a fascination with the decay. Look at these bricks and the paint peeling off. Wonderful. I like it. The drone is useful for peeking into MIRA, the Motor Industry Research Association, where they test cars, they drive them around these tracks and do other things to them. It's actually an old airfield that was built in the war, and at one point my dad landed at Dakota there. There you go. Good fun. What should we call that one? Aerial view of Sutton Sheeny, and a bit of practice with the drone, which was good. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching, and here's to next time. Bye bye. Let me leave you with this lovely animation look. It's from an app called Relive, which I've got on trial at the moment, but I might well buy it. I rather like it. Mind you, the stats are strange because it took 2 hours to go 10 miles, but that's average. I was stopping all the time.